Bronwyn yet again with Big Sky Diamond Painting here for part 4 of my Diamond and Ruby Sale unboxings of Diamond Art Club paintings. This is the final chapter in my unboxings. As of that moment, no, actually I lied. It wasn't going to be the last princess I needed as of that moment, because there were at least one other square princess I did want, and I think possibly 2. At this point, I've settled on wanting all of the princesses that are done in square. As you can see, this is the beauty. But there are a few that I want in round, namely Mulan. But I can't even remember anymore, guys. There's so many now. And I really can't wait till they start doing non-princesses like Maleficent. Because, Mandy, I know you did one of these panels with Maleficent. Because before I knew you contracted with Diamond Art Club, I totally bought one from an AliExpress company. And I haven't done it yet because I know that company pops like hell and I don't want to do a big-ass painting. So, Diamond Art Club, if you're listening, please do the Maleficent one. I think there's an Ursula one too, and I would not say no to that. Those are my 2 that I want. And Mandy, if you're listening, do one of Yzma from The Emperor's New Groove. I know she's not super popular, but she's awesome, and she would make a really good panel. Anyway, let's get started. So, I'm still filming this the same day, so there's no new news from the other thing. We are back to having separate drill bags in this one, which I am pretty sure was packaged. Well, actually, I have no idea when these were packaged because, again, we're still in the time frame when they were packaged without a date on here. And as you may or may not know, Diamond Art Club does not release things in the order that they're packaged. They have a release schedule that is independent of, not completely independent, but independent of when things were packaged. So they will sometimes release things, very often release things out of order of when they were packaged. So, let us get started with the drill kit. This is another square drill painting. Square kit tool contents. Magic applicator. That's the diamond pen. Comfort grip. That's the squishy. This one is a good fitting squishy. Multi-placer. This one's a 3-placer. My favorite. I lie. It's a 4-placer, but I only have a couple 4-placers, and unlike the 3-placer, the 4-placers I actually wear out, so I tend not to use them. So I just keep using the 3-placers. So I guess, you know, like, if I were to give them a score, because of the durability, 3-placers do edge out the 4-placers. But in actual, like, placing, I like being able to place 4 more. I just don't like that I have to replace them because they wear out. So, that's your pen with your grippy and your multi-placer. You get your 2 pieces of heart-shaped wax. One of the fun, novel things that Diamond Art Club does. I think it'd be cool if someone did like a diamond-shaped wax. You get baggies. Again, as I always say, these are not enough for every color. So if you kit out of baggies, you will need to buy more. If you always store your extras in baggies, you'll need to buy more. This is the clear tray with a funnel. I normally use, especially for a painting this big, I use one of those big, giant funnel trays that I got from like Huacan. I do have an Archer's Arts diamond tray, which I'll do a review of. It's not my favorite. I like a lot of things about it, but I think the texture from the 3D printing makes one of the things that I don't like. And these are the pointy tweezers that come with the square diamond paintings. So the thing to remember about these is that they're very sharp. So I could, if I wanted to, I could stab myself with these like super easy. This is the squishier version of the cover. So keep that cover, keep them covered. These will stab you when you least expect it. Okay, that's the kit. I always save these baggies because they are wonderful and good for putting stuff in. Okay, so we're going to set the drills aside for now. 2 huge bags of drills. Set them aside. Still the opaque bag. Diamond Art Club. The only reason I know that these are gone is that Diamond Art Club has said that they stopped using them. So it's going to be a while before they're completely out of their stock because, like I said, they package things up months in advance for releases so that they will have enough to ship straight out to people. So that's the thing to keep in mind. Don't freak out if you see something new and then you don't get it in a kit, because that's just because it was packaged before that. Before that new thing came out. That's why. Uh-oh, what'd I get? Okay, well, there was something on my table. Or, no, well, whatever. There was something that smudged on here, but again, we're not looking at the back of the canvas when we finish it, so it's not a big deal. So I'm going to just unroll this bad boy. I wanted this basically from the moment I saw Stitcherista unbox it in that sneak peek. I'm super freaking excited about it. Belle is one of my favorite princesses. Not my favorite. If you watched my videos, you know that's Aurora. Can't take her place in my heart, but Belle is one of my favorites because I identify with her in her reading of books and stuff like that. Kind of like the brainy princess. I like that they went that way with her too, because she's supposed to be like the beauty and all that, but they made her kind of brainy. There's just a lot of things. I love Beauty and the Beast as the movie. Okay, your 9 steps of diamond painting. They're on the website if you really wanted to look at them. Okay, so we're going to start from the bottom because, as you know, these are huge. They are 40 centimeters by 125. They're gigantic. So we're going to start from down here. This beautiful gem. This, in case you guys don't know the symbolism, I don't know what this background is supposed to be. It's probably supposed to, I think it looks kind of like the Beast's cloak a little bit. But this is the handle of the mirror. Because as you know, there's a magic mirror that she can use to speak with the Beast. So then she's here in the mirror. There's the beautiful rose. That's the rose that's losing petals that the Beast is going to, you know, permanently be a beast if he doesn't get it. Then here's her dress. I don't know about what this yellow deal is for. I don't know if that's like a charting error or what. Because I feel like this should be just the dress and then this should have been skin. But, you know, Diamond Art Club. What's up? And there's her lovely face. I love these because the faces are so big and they just, with the closed eyes and everything, look so nice. I'll just curl that a little more. Okay. And then the top of the mirror. And more of this like beautiful like cloak or night sky or whatever that's supposed to be. So we're just going to leave it here on Belle's face while we chat and look at drills. So we have 48 colors and 3 ABs in this one. And we're going to use my little quilting ruler to hold the top down because it's bugging me with the curling. So 48 colors. That's a lot, guys. Still not the biggest one. You may remember we've got over 50 in some of the other princesses. So, and excuse me if you heard me burp. I am so sorry. Alright. So this one looks like, okay. So I think I can give you the colors in this that aren't 310 without having to completely unroll it. So all these black ones, those are 310. You don't need to see that. All right, so there's 336, 775, 519, 3811, lots of those. This one's 3771, kind of a nice pink color. I guess I'll just read these. Okay, so then 948, that's probably somewhere in her skin. That's definitely part of her hair, 780. There's our big bag of 141, the AB, and then 300, more brown for her hair. I like to keep this big bag as neat as I can when there's 2 bags, because it's just a little bit easier to roll the other one back up, but the big one I can never get halfway neat. And I have discovered through trial and error that I like, well, no, everyone likes to keep these neat, but I've discovered through trial and error that that one I can get, this other one with the smaller bags, I can usually get pretty well back into these, but the big one I have way more trouble with. So I try to, you know, do what I can there. So, all right. That extra yellow bit is just really bothering me. I really think that that is supposed to be part of her skin. I'm going to have to look at the original Mandy art to know for sure. But, whatever. Okay. So, let's start through here. We've got a couple of bags of 823, 340, okay. Yeah, 334, sorry. Ooh. Nice pretty blues. More brown. Another nice pretty blue. Nice red. Ooh, 550. Oh, I guess, yeah, that's in the background. And excuse the sound, someone's coming up the stairs and they may be making more noise if they come up here. Alright, so there's one of our ABs, there's a green. So that's 2 ABs. There's another green, some pink. Ooh, nice raspberry color. An orange, nice purple. I like 155 as a color. That's a nice purple right there. Ooh, that's kind of like a pinky red. All right, then kind of a pale yellow. An orange. Got a dark red. Purple, more purple. Oh, okay, and there's the sweet corn with butter. I love this color, and I think that's like accents in her dress and stuff. But I'm not 100% sure, and I don't really feel like looking right now. Okay, so sweep that aside. Anyway, that is the beauty, the final chapter in my unboxing of my haul from the Diamond and Ruby sale. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give me a big old thumbs up. If you would like to see more of my other videos, please hit that subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload them, then go ahead and hit the bell to see more. Make sure you check out the rest of my videos, the other 3 videos in this series, and all that kind of good stuff on my channel. I will catch everyone later for more unboxings, more tips and tricks, all that kind of good stuff. And you have a wonderful rest of your day, night, week, month, year. Bye-bye.